Thank you for watching KTN Prime. Welcome back. Let's get sporty. World Athletics President Sebastian Coe officially opened the 2026 Africa Senior Athletics Championships in Accra, Ghana on Monday, praising Sebastian Sawe for breaking the London Marathon world record with a historic run under 2 hours. Coe said the 24th edition of the championships will bring great opportunities for African athletes as the competition runs from May 12th to 17th.
Only 7 days earlier, Kenya's Sebastian Sawe made history at the London Marathon as the first man to officially duck under the 2 hours for the marathon, a landmark day for African and global marathon running. Earlier this year, Kenya, Ethiopia, and Uganda topped the medal table at the World Cross Country Championships in the United States, and Uganda's Jacob Kiplimo set a world half marathon record in Portugal in March. These are achievements that are forever etched in our memories and in the annals and the history of athletics. We are confident that Accra will provide a magnificent stage for the African's greatest athletes to inspire and to entertain over the course of the next 6 days.